Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a really pretty gold, like angelic looking eye. If you guys like what you see, then just keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys. It's just like a really soft gold eye, and then I'm going to try out a contraption that I got. It's a really cool, you'll see. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the eyes because I already primed them. I don't have anything else on. I mean, I do have a little like primer on my face too, so that is that. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna use some tape and we're just gonna get into it. How have you guys been? I miss you. I haven't been on here for a little bit, a hot minute. I've been really active on my Instagram, so if you guys follow me on Insta, go follow me. I've been really active on there, posting some OOTDs, you know the drill. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. This palette is from Violet Boss, not sponsored, but I love their stuff. I'm just gonna get into a transition and get in there. Yeah. My hair is a little crazy today. It's second day hair. Literally, this is like a 2-second smoky eye, or gold eye. I would just like wear this daily if I could. So we're gonna go in with the darker color. I'm like so quiet today. This is my zen. Olivia's taking a nap. And I'm just like, you know, getting into it. I just realized I have Olivia's baby monitor going. I apologize. I'm gonna take some of my face powder and do that on my inner corners because I want that to be like really blended. And it's like a face foundation powder. So it's just gonna blend that and brighten it up. Take a clean brush and just blend out those edges right here. Go in with a really soft brush. Just kind of feather it into this shadow. And I did my transition, and you use a very light touch. So go into your crease, do a transition, then do like a second to darker transition, just a little bit lower, and then the darkest right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the under eyes because I already have my foundation on. And then, okay, so I do my under eyes. I put a little bit of foundation with it as well because my concealer is a little too bright for my liking. So now I'm gonna spot conceal and conceal anything else that I want or need. So I got some zits, I gotta get my vein, I wanna get up here. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Now I'm going in with my powder. Just to set it. It's a foundation powder, so it gives extra coverage. Now we're gonna do our powdering. I'm gonna go in with Hoola bronzer first because I am pretty white right now. And I'm gonna use my Becca Perfecting Brush. I love this brush. I've been using it for years. And it just leaves such a soft finish. overall glow to my face. Now I'm gonna spray my face. This is just like a skin soothing mist from Garnier, and I really like it. It smells really good. Yeah, I go overboard, but I have to because my skin is so dry. Now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I love this stuff. And I'm gonna put this, it's a highlighter, I'm gonna put it on. Let's spray this bitch. I'm gonna go in with MAC's Boldly Bare lip liner. Then I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss. This is a lash separator from Japanesque. I got it in PR and I was like, this is very interesting. Because you know when you use clumpy mascara and it's like, you have to like go through with like your tweezers. I know this is bad, and then like separate them. So I'm gonna use a mascara that I know will clump up a little bit. It's more of like a spidery lash. And yeah, I'm gonna curl my lashes first. Ooh, got my skin. My lashes are like not wanting to curl today. And then I'm gonna be looking in my mirror right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. So I put some mascara on. As you guys can see, it is a tiny bit clumpy. I'm gonna put another layer on. But yeah, so we're just gonna leave it like that, wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna put another layer on together. Let's try this puppy. Look at that. See? You can use the ends. I feel like everybody needs one of these. So it separated my lashes and it combs them through. But there it is. This product is super cool, you guys. So if you guys have a problem with your lashes clumping, this is your product. This is pretty cool. Okay, so I put some lashes on. That is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things for a tutorial wise. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any like video requests, leave them down below. I want to do more videos with Olivia, and I'm going to be doing a lot more unboxings here too, because I know a lot of you guys like stroller unboxings and things like that. So I will be doing a lot of those pretty soon here. It's actually really exciting. I can't wait. Until next time, I will see you later.